Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve the chilling and visually stunning Pearl's creepy look from the horror film Pearl for your next horror, vintage or psycho theme in DTI. So now let's just get started to create this look. Now as you guys can see, for the hair I'm using this tree up to here, and for this one I am not using the bangs, and you can use this dark brown color for the hair. Now I'm going to just go straight into the dressing room first and put on this tops right here. I'm going to use these red patterns and make the material light silk. Then put on this strawberry dress and toggle it into sleeves only. Use the same red color. Don't forget to change the material so the color will look the same. And I'm going to put on the skirt from the witch set with the same pattern and the red color. Okay. Go to the code items and put on this star shape bow. Toggle it into behind head to change the color into blue like this. Now you can go out and put on another item. So in here I'm going to use this boots for the shoe, all in black color. Then I'm going to use the top from the men's section with the same pattern. And last one, you can put on this, not this one, these items in here in the same pattern. Now for the weapons, that is optional, but you can also use the axe from the dressing room, the one that I used before. This one. Just change the color and it will be axe for Pearl. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.